Okay, one more quick lesson to round out this section. Just want to take a minute and share some helpful resources that will be great to keep in your back pocket if you get stuck or need a little extra support along the way. Now, first and foremost, you'll find some great help options right inside of Power BI. You'll find them inside of the Help menu. Here, you're going to see some documentation. You've got links to training videos, files, templates, and links to some of Microsoft's blogs and communities. Some other favorite resources: Microsoft has a Power BI blog at powerbi.microsoft.com/blog. That's where they publish a lot of their monthly summaries and feature releases. We'll talk about that in just a second. YouTube can be a great option if you need to find a very specific tip or tutorial. Microsoft has their own Power BI YouTube channel where they publish demos and feature summaries and some event stuff as well. And another one of our favorite channels is called Guy in a Cube. They do some really cool tutorials about data modeling and DAX. Definitely worth checking out. Last but not least, you've got Power BI user groups. These are communities of users, including both local, in-person meetups, and helpful online forums, which you can find at pbiusergroup.com. Now, we've talked about monthly updates quite a bit, and how as you're using Power BI, you're likely to notice ongoing changes to things like settings and options and tools pretty much every single month. So what we've done is included a list of links here where you can stay up to date on the latest product updates and feature releases. So you may need to type these into the browser, but go ahead and do that. Bookmark these links. This is where you're going to see the full, detailed summaries of all these new feature releases, including video walkthroughs of the new tools, which is super helpful. So there are separate links for Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power Platform here. Definitely handy to keep in your back pocket to stay up to speed with these monthly updates. All right, so that wraps up all of the high-level, conceptual, introductory stuff. Now it's finally the time you've been waiting for. Let's roll up our sleeves, let's get our hands dirty, let's jump into Power BI and actually start building this project. So next up, Aaron's going to take it for the next section, and he's going to talk all about how to connect and shape data with Power Query. It's going to be a lot of fun. Get ready to dig in.